Hey everyone, Andre from BMW Auto House, and we have here today the LCI M340. So let's have a quick look at what is different. Clearly, right off the bat, the rear diffuser looks real different. Taillights look the same. The rear bumper looks a little bit different. Same side profile, similar wheels. Wow, the headlights are different. They're up now. Wow, okay, cool. So the LEDs are up. Bumper looks very similar, but just little minor changes in the apron here. All right, let's have a look inside. The biggest change. iDrive 8, yes, that's right. Let's have a quick look at what the iDrive holds. So we've got the entire menu here. You've got all your apps, but if we go to the home screen, the home menu, we've got your quick actions that you can go to, like your media, your telephone, your navigation. Then you've got all your widgets here. And basically what we have here is your navigation, your radio, your telephone, your personal assistant for the BMW connected drive, and your concierge, which is really nice. You can check information about your car here. There's weather available. There's a compass here, your route preview if you have your navigation set up, traffic conditions, of course, if navigation is set up, and the clock. Now, what apps do we have? If we go here, we've got all the apps, and basically what we have is your collection of all the car's apps, settings, features, everything. So we've got your BMW ID, mobile devices to connect your phone, your personal assistant for the connected iDrive again, or for the connected iDrive, for the BMW Assist, your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, of course, radio, telephone, navigation, live vehicle. That's just information about your vehicle in terms of like tire pressure and stuff like that. This is really neat. There's a drop-down menu here, like quick shortcuts. And how can we add shortcuts here? We basically hold a specific item. Let's say doors and windows. I'm gonna hold that, keep holding, and I can add it to a shortcut. And now it's added as a shortcut, which means that next time I drop this down, I've got my doors and windows there, quick access. So wherever I am in the menu, let's say I'm in the navigation, if I just drop down the menu from the top, boom, I'm right in there. So you can basically make any app here, you can make that a shortcut, which is really cool. So yeah, this is what the new iDrive holds. It's just a bigger screen, very similar content, obviously faster, cleaner looking. Let's see if they have any like new lights or something, I don't know, color. Yeah, okay, so they got new colors. All right. Did you guys see this? That's the new shifter. Okay. All right, that's like the iX. All right, so I see what they're doing here. They're getting rid of the entire shifter. It's literally this. It's the same action. Reverse, drive, one click, neutral, park, right there. So yeah, that's pretty cool. What do you guys think?